These are the elevators at the DoubleTree by Hilton, formerly Holiday Inn in Sarasota, Florida. Here we are at 6. Let's take a look out. This is a pretty cool hotel. 6 stories with an atrium. You can see the hydraulic jack going all the way down. The hydraulic piston, I mean. And the other one is down at the bottom. So, yeah. Pretty cool. We're gonna go ride it back down now. We're gonna go down to 1. Here's your inspection. Here's your cab view. I'm guessing these might be key carded at night, judging by the signs, maybe starting at 10 p.m., but I don't know. Yeah, these are really cool. And they got this flowing water in the lobby, which I bet looks a lot cooler on the outside. We're gonna call the other one. We're gonna go to 6. Cool. We're gonna go back down to 1. Still says Holiday Inn on the certificate. This used to be a Holiday Inn. Just recently it became a DoubleTree by Hilton. After you. We're gonna ride the other one more time. There we go. This time we're gonna get this perspective looking down. We're comes the waterfall.
Oh, you're good.
I think I accidentally hit both 5 and 6, so it's gonna go the rest of the way up, but it's gonna stop at 5. It's interesting how they have that waterfall just in the lobby. The other one's gonna come down. Meanwhile, this one is going up to 6 soon, probably. Actually, both of them are going up. Alright. And that'll be it.